Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button. Let's get started. This is gold hourly chart. Yesterday gold went up to 1908, then crashed back to test around 1890. 1.50. These are the levels I have given you yesterday. 1894 was the support. Here it broke the support, quickly tested the 1891.50 and climbed back to test around 1900 once again. So technically stop was broken. Technically support was broken, but gold did not sustain below the support for even minutes. So this support remain intact. However, I would like to change that from 94 to 91 because of yesterday's lows. Now 1891 will act as support in gold prices. Below $1891, expect 1880 and $1870. Resistance is still intact at 1918. Above this resistance, expect 1930 and 1940. US, Europe, France and Japan have started imposing sanctions on Russia because of its Ukraine recognition, because of its recognition of Ukraine's separatist state. Now President Biden is saying that there would be an invasion by Russia into Ukraine, but Russia haven't said anything yet, and we are still in uncertainty that what is exactly gonna happen in next few days. Till then, we will stick with levels because we don't have any other way to trade. Today, we have a monetary policy report hearing from Britain around 3 p.m. and we have around inflation numbers 3:30 p.m. from Europe. So keep an eye on that. Let's quickly move on to silver. These are the levels I have given you yesterday. All levels are still intact. 24.30 was resistance. It made high around 24.29 and still trying to break the resistance but unable to do that. Support now have shifted from 23.70 to 23.95. Support have changed, but the resistance haven't, and the trend is still intact from positive. I would not advise any sell till market is holding above our support, so please keep an eye on that. These are extremely important supports. Till supports are intact, avoid going for sell. And for paid signal service, you can always send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is on your screen. You can WhatsApp me for paid signal details. Now let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. These levels I have given you yesterday. In fact, I have updated the support in my live stream. I usually live stream from 7 to 8 p.m. on my streaming channel. Channel link can be found in description. Now it is trading $92.20. 91.50 is still intact, so we will stick with levels. If market break 91.50, then crude oil will enter in weak zone. Below 91.50, expect $90 and $89. Resistance at $94.20. Above this resistance, expect $95 and $96. Let's move on to euro now. This is euro, and these are the levels from yesterday's video. 1390 was resistance. Market didn't break 1390 and now currently trading 1324. 1285 was support and still the support is remain the same. Resistance have changed from 1390 to 1370. The trend is positive as of now, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound now. This is British pound. Yesterday I have given a sell signal to my subscriber in this. Currently trading 35.95. I have given support of 35.45. This was the support. It just barely touched the support and bounced back. Now currently trying to break the 3600. Even now it is trading in weak zone and the levels are still intact. 3620 will act as resistance. If market break and sustain above this resistance, then expect British pound to turn from negative to positive, and it could test up to 3650 and 3680. Below support can be changed because of lows. Below 35.35 expect 3500 and 3250. Currently British pound is trading in negative zone, but it will enter in positive zone once it breaks the resistance. Resistance is just 25 pips away. Let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin. These are the levels from yesterday's video. Interestingly, these levels are still valid. In today's video, I think 70 to 80% levels are still valid from either yesterday's video or from streaming, because I have updated some levels in streaming as well. 38,700 will act as a resistance now. Above this resistance, expect Bitcoin to turn from negative to positive, and it could test up to $40,000. Below support of 36,200, expect 35,000 and 34,000. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum and these are the levels from yesterday's video. Resistance have changed a little, not much. This is 2690 will act as resistance now. If Ethereum break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 2750 and 2800. Support is still intact at 2450. Below the support, expect 2400 and 2300. Let's move on to Indian market levels. Currently MCX gold is trading 50,160 rupees. Resistance at 50,800. Support at 49,950 rupees. Silver is trading 64,200. Silver support at 63,750, resistance at 64,650 rupees. You can also join me for live streaming in evening. I usually live stream on my streaming channel. Streaming channel can be found in description. I usually live stream from 7 PM to 8 PM. Also follow me on Twitter and Telegram for live data update and live market updates. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button for this video. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is given in description. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.